been a while since this bike has been down, and it's a Cannondale 6 3. I've got a Control Tech carbon fiber seat post, Real Design supersonic 50 mil carbon deep dish wheels. It's got the FSA Gossamer cranks, Ultegra front derailleur, Dura Ace rear derailleur. It's got a lightweight chain, 2 lightweight carbon fiber bottle holders, Shimano Ultegra flight deck gear controls, just a aluminum Control Tech bars, Redline Michelin tires, which will need to be replaced. They're the Pro 4 Endurance. And then my saddle is a Selly Simp glider. Got a Bontrager carbon fiber XXX stem. All right, let's get her cleaned up and tuned up.